Prestigio tablet PCs are naturally equipped with high-performance batteries. You can recharge them at any time using the power supply that was delivered with your package. But there's also the question, can I influence the standby time somehow, and also the battery capacity generally? Of course you can, and I'd just like to give you a couple of simple tricks. The first is this. In the setup menu to the right over the clock, I have the ability to very easily vary the display brightness back and forth. You can see that. Many tablets also have the functionality that they adjust themselves automatically to their surroundings. Okay, that would be my first point. Please check on whether you always need the full brightness and whether you may be able to reduce it a bit when using the tablet in the evening. The point is, the less bright the display is kept, or the darker it becomes, the less you expend the battery's working time, of course. The second thing has to do with communications, and also with the question of how long do I want my tablet to stay active. Let's just generally go into the settings. I can then decide for myself whether I need Bluetooth to be active at the moment or not. Do I want to connect with another device right now? If not, then I can just shut Bluetooth off for now, and we save some more power. The third thing is that this model offers me the ability for mobile surfing and the internet. That means that I have put a SIM card in there. I'm on the move, and I can enjoy mobile surfing via UMTS and a mobile network. But at home, I don't need all that, because when I'm at home, I have my wireless LAN router there, and I can surf in the internet, sometimes a bit faster than mobile surfing. But of course, in that case, the 3G module is going to stay active. The next question is, how long should our tablet stay active? I mean, when should it switch to standby mode? You can set that up in the menu. There's a menu item for that right here. There. Standby mode. In my case, mine has been set to never. That means that when I just set my tablet down exactly as it is, the display will remain active for the entire time. Of course, that's not necessary. If I'm not using it, it has the right to take a nice break and rest a bit. To make that happen, I can input right here 15 seconds, 30 seconds, up to 30 minutes. I'll just say a minute, that would be good. That gets saved automatically, and the tablet doesn't shut off completely. Sleep mode means just one touch, and the tablet is at rest. The display is shut down, and I cut back on my battery use once again. When I pick up my tablet again, I press shortly on the power button, I unlock it again, and I'm right back to where I was before I took a break. It has to be that easy, and for me that's once again a big plus with regard to my operating time. Those are just a couple of small tips on how to look to see how I can reduce my battery usage. During our discussion of the operation of the tablet, I also mentioned the Task Manager. That just occurred to me as another thing that is important to think about, because it's of course also an issue how many apps you have running in the background. I can see the canoeing app, which I don't need right now. I don't need maps, and I was just in Play Store. The point is, the fewer processes that are active, the less the tablet has to work, and the longer your operating time is going to be. Those are my personal tricks. Maybe you can make use of one or more of them. Otherwise, much fun and long life.